1031. 1030. Hello, folks. Welcome back to today's episode of How to Think Force by Star Equipment. We're going to turn around because that's not how you actually do that workout. You actually grab it like this. Put your feet here, chest upright, go out, row in, go back, row in.
Now, is that where you can place your hands, or is there another way to place them?
Oh, you can actually place them right here. It's going to focus on a different section of your back. Where when you put it here, it's going to focus more on right here on your back.
Upper back and your lats.
When you grab here, what is it going to focus on? Help me out, Christina.
It's going to be your inner back, right along here.
Right there, yes ma'am. Thank you, Christina. All right, and after you get your good hard workout in, you're tired, getting ready for a nap, make sure you clean your fitness equipment though. So we're gonna go ahead and spray. We're gonna go ahead and get a nice little wipe down going on. You feel me? Yeah, we're gonna get it like this. We're gonna get it all around the sides. We've already talked about this like 2-3 times. You're gonna make sure you get the whole thing. Hit the back side, hit the phone holder, and the cup holder. Don't be that guy, girl, person, whatever you want. All right, and then make sure, we're gonna get down low in the cracks, hit all this around here, hit this long part right here. Make sure you always hit the long part. You're gonna hit this right here. Definitely get here. This, I don't know what it is about this equipment right here. This collects a lot of dust right here.
Same thing with that leg press. Right here. That.
Why it does that? We don't know.
This.
Yeah. I like that noise. All right, so it's like a little Christmas bell, night before Christmas. All right, anyways, so then we got the black piece down here. Hey, same thing. You can spray it, man. You can try to clean it. It's not gonna work. You gotta get the green spray. When you clean it, get a rag, get the green spray, do your thing. And that concludes our episode. Thank you.